In today's fast-paced, highly competitive project management world, simply getting by with basic tools isn't enough. If you're managing complex, resource-driven projects, you need precision, visibility, and control. And that's exactly why Primavera P6 has become a must-have skill for modern project managers. Across industries like construction, engineering, oil and gas, manufacturing, and government, organizations rely on Primavera P6 for one reason: it handles complexity better than anything else. With P6, teams can manage critical path method scheduling, resource and cost loading, baselines and variance analysis, portfolio level visibility, and risk identification. But here's the thing, these powerful capabilities only work when you know how to use the tool effectively. Formal Primavera P6 training gives project managers a measurable edge. Through structured hands-on learning, you'll learn how to build logic-driven CPM schedules, analyze project performance, manage resources across multiple projects, spot risks early and prevent delays, and communicate project status with clarity and confidence. At Global PM, we offer industry-leading Primavera P6 Professional Training. Our courses are designed to take you from "I've heard of P6" to "I can build and manage a complex schedule with confidence." If you're aiming for career growth, Primavera P6 certification is one of the smartest investments you can make. P6 is considered a core competency for senior schedulers, project control specialists, and program managers. With proper training, you're not just using the tool, you're learning how to leverage it to drive smarter decisions and better outcomes. P6 isn't just a scheduling tool, it can be a career accelerator. As organizations continue adopting advanced project management technologies, professionals who master P6 position themselves for long-term success, increased responsibility, and expanded opportunities. If you're ready to elevate your skills and stand out amongst your peers, explore Global PM's full suite of Primavera P6 training options at globalpm.com.